Hello there, my name is Ollie from Anchor Vans, and today I have for you the 2021 Ford Transit Custom Long Wheelbase Crew Cab Edition. This one comes in a lovely grey with some orange sporty stripes on it as well. This has just above 39,000 miles on the clock, and I'll just take you around the vehicle now as well. So if I open up the passenger door here, you can see inside we have two leather seats at the front, both with armrests and heated as well, which can be controlled just over here. 6-speed gearbox with a reverse gear as well. Air conditioning and heating can be controlled just here. We've got our audio, and if we go through our settings, we also have our Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, so on and so forth, connection. Cruise control, hands-free calling and voice assist can also all be controlled on the steering wheel. And if I then just show you into the back as well, we have 3 more leather seats as well. And if you don't mind me just showing you, right in the back here we do have cargo space in the back. It is ply lined as well and does have interior lighting in here as well.